Welcome to the virtual orientation sponsored by Freelance Income System. Now, you are likely here because you have one of two problems. Problem number one is you're looking for a job, but it's probably hard to find one. Or problem number two is that you may already have a job, but it's just not paying enough. Do either one of these sound like you? If so, we can help. So we're offering you an opportunity to be a part of our freelance network. So some of the benefits include making $225 per day or more. You can choose your own schedule, work from any device you choose. You can also get paid every single day. Should you decide to move forward, there is a signing bonus and there is no selling. So this is an invitation to join our freelance agent network, and there's no investment required from you to do that. So currently we are placing freelance agents for SoFi Bank, which I'll get into more details in just a moment. But as a freelance referral agent, you do have the opportunity to work remotely. And here's what we do. We connect freelance agents who want to work from home with companies looking for freelance workers. So this is who this is good for. Either someone looking to create some fast income to fill in some gaps and meet needs until they find the next job, or someone who already has a job, but they're looking for a high paying side gig to supplement their current job or business income. If either one of these sound like you, you're in the right place. So we consider this the best of two key worlds. World one is the gig economy. For example, you may be someone who has driven a vehicle for Uber or Lyft to deliver groceries with Instacart. That is what we call the gig economy. And then there's the work from home community of those who want to sit behind their computer in the comfort of their own home to actually work. So we combine the best of two worlds with what we do. By the time I'm done with today's video, if you believe this is a fit for you, here's the good news. There is no application to fill out, no resume to send. You can literally start today should you decide to. No need to be interviewed, and there's no competition for you to compete for a spot. And you can really start making money today, literally, and we'll talk about that in a moment. So the work is simple. It is new account acquisition. So here's the problem that we solve. Right now, companies are going out of business because the cost to acquire a new customer is out of control. And it's a well-known truth in business that referrals are the best type of new business. Why? Because referrals are pure gold to the business, and that referral is based on trust from a credible source. So referrals are better than online Google reviews or Yelp reviews, Google searches, even paid advertising. But when you think about it, referrals come pretty naturally, which means you go out to, for example, a brand new restaurant, have an amazing experience, and then you go online to do a review for that restaurant. But it's also likely that you would share that experience with a few of your friends. And based on that recommendation, your friends go to that restaurant, they have an amazing time, and now that restaurant has picked up new customers because of your referral. Now, on occasion, we do get rewarded for referrals, but it's nothing to get excited about, and you certainly don't get paid. So here's our genius. Our genius is turning organic referral efforts that don't pay into structured and intentional referral systems that do pay. In other words, you get paid to refer. So when you join our freelance network, we find and place you with a referral partner. So you'll be able to work primarily via text chat. You'll be responding to inbound inquiries that come from ads or social media posts using text. Use the training provided to attract referrals, then point them to the referral partner that we match you with. And you get paid when your referral takes the qualified action step with the referral partner. Some examples of action steps that are qualified are filling out a form or an inquiry, starting a new trial or membership, setting up an account, or actually making a purchase. Here's some examples. Hulu is one of the partners that participates in our network. And if you were matched with Hulu, and someone were doing an inbound inquiry to you about Hulu and they decided to start a free trial, you'd make $1.12 from that. If that same individual decided to move on and get a paid membership, you would make $7. Grand total of a little over $8. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up pretty fast when you got 20, 30, 50, 100 people every single week doing that very thing. Another example is with Wells Fargo. In this example, if you were to refer someone interested in getting an account for Wells Fargo on an inbound inquiry, when they opened that account and funded the account with a minimum of $25 and set up direct deposit, then you would be paid $300. So this method of marketing is called CPA marketing. CPA stands for cost per action. And two very popular networks that handle CPA marketing are Max Bounty and OfferVault, which is the one that Hulu came from. So once again, we are currently placing agents for SoFi Bank. Now, you may not have ever heard of SoFi Bank, but let me give you some benefits and understanding of who this bank is. First of all, it's an FDIC insured bank. It is an online bank, and some of the benefits include no monthly fees for any deposit account, no overdraft fees, over 7 times the national average when it comes to the annual percentage yield that you earn on your deposit accounts, over 55,000 ATM machines worldwide. And my favorite is that the SoFi Stadium is where the Rams play, and it's also where the last Super Bowl was played. So, anyway, agents such as yourself who decide to become a part of our network are currently being placed for SoFi. So, here's what that looks like. With our inbound inquiries, when someone inquires, you refer them to SoFi so they can set up a brand new account. When they set up that account and no direct deposit is required, you make $100 in that case. At this point, SoFi Bank has already paid out more than $20 million to referral agents such as yourself. Now, to get started, it's very simple. You simply become a SoFi account holder. All referral agents must be SoFi account holders. That's the formality to move forward. When you decide to make that happen, you're going to earn a $25 welcome bonus just by joining the network and allowing us to help you make some money. Now, here's some screenshots of some of our agents and some of their results. And depending on the agent's efforts and commitment, obviously the amounts will change. But this agent here, over $1,100 this last month. This one here, just under $1,000. This agent here, just over $2,200 this month. And then we have one that's pretty ambitious. Okay. So let's wrap up with some FAQs and then talk about next steps. So first question, are there any fees to get started? No, you are not investing in anything. This is not a business opportunity. 2, do I have to sell anything? This is not a sales position. This is strictly a referral program. No purchase or selling necessary for you to participate and make money. Do I have to involve friends and family? No, you do not. You are welcome to share the SoFi Bank product with personal connections. It has great value, but it's not required for your success. Do I have to know a lot of people? You don't have to know anybody. You don't have to contact anyone that you know personally in order to be successful, so the amount of people that you know doesn't matter. What are the requirements to become a referral agent for SoFi? The only requirement is to be an account holder because only account holders have the opportunity to be a referral agent. Why do I have to be an account holder to become a referral agent? Well, I just said that. Well, there's 2 reasons really. First of all, SoFi pays your referral check directly into your SoFi account, and then all agents must be account holders. When I open my account, do I need to make a deposit? Yes, all banks ask that you make at least an opening deposit when starting a new account. We recommend starting with $50 opening deposit for rapid pay of referral payments, which is 24 hours or less, but the minimum opening deposit is $10. I don't want to change banks. Is that required? Great question. You do not have to change your banking relationship. Opening a SoFi bank account is just a requirement to become a referral agent. You are welcome to maintain your existing banking relationship as is. You will only need your SoFi account to receive your referral payments. You can use the SoFi debit card for cash or purchases or transfer the money to your bank of choice. How do I get access to the $25 welcome bonus? That will be deposited into your SoFi account when you move forward today. When I earn a $100 referral payment, how do I get access to that? That $100 referral payment is deposited into your SoFi account, and you, of course, have immediate access to use it for whatever you need it for. Does SoFi offer a debit card? You have both a virtual and physical debit card that comes with your account. How often do I get paid? You get paid daily. You are paid directly into your SoFi bank account. Some deposits come within minutes of the referral setting up their account, and it could take up to 24 hours for your referral money to show up in your account, but it usually happens within a few hours. How many hours am I required to work? You can totally choose whatever schedule makes sense for you. What if I don't have a computer? Can I still do the work? As long as you have a device, you can do the work. What is the best way for me to get referral signups? The best way is to use what you learn in the training that we provide. You will be shown multiple methods for attracting qualified referrals on an inbound basis. I know a lot of people. Can I share this with them? You're welcome to share the SoFi bank account with anyone you want, friends, family, coworkers. Although it's not required for you to share with them to have success, we do encourage you to share with people you know if that's something you're comfortable with. Can I refer my spouse or partner and still get paid a referral payment? Yes, you can. You can refer your spouse or partner or friends and family member. There are no restrictions on who you can refer. Can I promote this on my personal social media accounts? You sure can. You can promote this by posting to your own social media account. Does SoFi have an app? They do have an app. Just simply go to the Apple or Google Play Store and download the app to your device. Where can I find my referral link? Well, the referral link can be found on the home screen of your account inside of the app. I'm ready to get started. What is the next step? Click the Getting Started button below this video to get started. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube or an independent video, you were probably sent this video by one of our referral agents. So get back to that person and ask them for the next steps to get started. So thank you for listening. This does conclude today's orientation.